It said not one you'll ever be able to post. You can just watch a video for an hour.
It's cool to pause the fire though. You can go in slow-mo and see like little creatures or demon faces in the fire.
Yeah.
Nice.
Excuse me.
So you got to clean up the kitchen, or is that all good to go?
Well, of course you did.
Yeah.
The main part, but I mean, you know, we still crock pots and stuff, so. It's gonna, the magnesium will show really soon.
I saw it dripping down.
Yeah, me too. You can see it down there, look.
Yep. I see it down there.
Yeah, that's bright, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all lit up.
Oh yeah, that's right there.
Oh, this is a
Oh!
Watch out!
See it in there? Yeah. Oh yeah, right there. It's like a well.
I'm covering it with my phone.
Magnesium!
Yeah, it is.
You can see the magnesium on this side.
It's the sun.
Hey Logan,
Yeah.
split just a little bit. This is recording right here. Split just a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. It needed to happen.
Preston. It's cool from this side. You can actually see the magnesium. And you can see a lot of blue flame. I wish there was a camera that actually showed what it looked like in real life.
Yeah, not like super bright.
Yeah.
Where the yellowish orange is.
Yeah, and where the blue is just like bright. Well, actually, I can kind of see the blue.
What camera looks better, yours or mine?
Oh,
Let me see. Yours.
mine?
Yours, really. I think yours.
Huh.
What do you think?
At taking videos, mine, but at taking pictures, yours.
Yeah.
I'm glad that my phone actually charged up to 9%. it was at 4, and it can't do it after 5%. So I'm gonna stop. It's gonna just randomly stop.
Wait, what percent's it at?
7.
Should probably check it after.
I'm gonna stop it at like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
How about you?
No, I have like 100% battery, so.
Well, mine tells mine. Like in the camera.
No, same.
Where? No, I mean like on the actual camera app. Look.
Oh.
Yeah. I wonder what happens if I go up closer. What? It's a better picture. Image. Hey, I can actually see the blue. Whoa! I didn't know you were still there. What? I don't know. I haven't zoomed in all the way.
Looks cooler zoomed out.
Yeah.
I'll try zooming in. Oh, it actually focuses better. Look at it. When I zoom in on mine. See?
Just focus on one box, same as mine. That box went away fast, except for the outer.
Yeah. It'll fall in. It'll collapse in.